When life gets messy, you don't want the mess to go everywhere. Luckily, there's Teco Auto Water, the first user-friendly faucet adapter that transforms a normal tap into an automatic one. Our smart home sensor technology fits a wide range of faucets and can adjust the angle of water flow. It's perfect for quick uses or for those longer jobs. It's even built with an LED light for late night. It's long-lasting too. One charge lasts for 12 months. It's highly water-resistant to protect the smart sensors, so you can use it again and again and again. And best of all, Auto Water is water-saving and environmentally conscious to help you save money and create good habits. Enjoy the convenience of automatic faucets in your own home. Teco Auto Water.
Leveling up the job site has never been easier. Introducing the Johnson Machine Mount Detector, a heavy-duty laser detector that attaches to earth-moving equipment to locate Johnson red beam rotary laser signals. The detector mounts using extreme-duty rare earth magnets or mounting clamps. The detector features full 360-degree beam coverage to ensure that no matter its orientation, the laser signal will be received. For easiest setup, the detector includes an integrated lithium-ion battery. For permanent installation, use the included battery clamps to hardwire directly to 12-volt or 24-volt DC sources. The detector's display has ultra-bright LEDs to indicate your grade reading. For use on limited visibility equipment such as skid steers, the 40-6792 remote display repeats the laser detector's LED signal directly to the operator inside the cab, making placement of the detector possible even in the operator's blind spots. The detector is IP66 washdown rated for job site durability and includes all hardware and cabling required to install it temporarily or permanently to any piece of equipment. Robust, accurate, easy to use. The Johnson Machine Mount Detector. Level up.
Introducing the LED Heli Ball from TX Juice. Use your hands, feet, or any other part of your body to keep it in the air. Patented motion sensing technology detects what's below and hovers above it. Or use the manual trigger control and see how close you can get to the ceiling or floor without crashing. Unique juice button activates the super bright LEDs, creating magical light shows and illuminating huge spaces. Up to 3 players with no interference for the ultimate competition. How long can you stay flying? Auto flight and awesome light shows, only with the LED Heli Ball. TX Juice, it's all about the button.